Hi guys. So let me today take you to the city, Shillong city, to a place called Laitumkhrah, which is the central place in Shillong city. So stay tuned, and we'll soon show you a part of Shillong city and the condition, how the city behaves in the daytime, and the traffic condition, etc. So stay tuned. Jai Hind guys. So today I am taking you to a trip around a part of Shillong. So this is called Dhan Kheti Point of Shillong, and you can see it's a lot of rush. So we are going to take a left turn to go to a place called Laitumkhrah. Now Laitumkhrah is a very happening place of Shillong, and lots of traffic now. After some time, the schools are getting, the school children are coming out, the kids. After some time, the high schools will get, over, and there will be a lot of traffic on the road. So, anyways, today, after a long time, there is some sunshine in the city. So from Dhan Kheti Point, we are approaching to the next station, which is called the Don Bosco Point. On the right hand side, you can see that blue building. That used to be the St. Anthony's College when I was in a college, but now it has been turned into a museum and a higher secondary school. This area, Don Bosco Square, is actually the educational hub of the city, and earlier here was St. Anthony's College, and also nearby was St. Mary's and St. Margaret's School and College. Now St. Anthony's College has been shifted somewhere else. So this particular point is called Don Bosco Point, and you can see the statue of Don Bosco. And we are approaching now towards the Laitumkhrah Point. So we have reached the Laitumkhrah police point. Well, we went further up there to a place called Arbutnath Road, but I did not record any video of that. Now we are returning back, and this is the journey back from Laitumkhrah police point back to our place. So we are again going through that Don Bosco point, and now just in front on the, you can see that old building, that roof. That is a very old building made during the British period. This is the Don Bosco point, obviously. Lots of traffic now. You can see the traffic, lots of vehicles stranded. The schools have, open, and they have just shut for the day. Now here is the Catholic Church of Shillong. Very iconic place. And we are approaching the Dhan Kheti Point again. You can see this Loreto Convent. This is also a very famous school for the girls. So that's all for the day, guys. We are going back. and we really enjoyed presenting this part of our journey to you in the Shillong city. The roads are how it looks and how it behaves in the daytime. You can see and guess from here. Thank you very much for watching. Love you all. Bye.